So guys, I'm back after a few days. So you see to my computer screen here a fantastic and very creative medical related one logo which is very nice. So guys, I will not talk more. I just create or make or prepare such kinds of one logo design, so stay with me and don't waste the time. So what should I do? I need to just keep all the things this counter, and I need a little bit smaller. I need it smaller like that, and I needed to keep here this side like that. You, this guy, you think, what is this? I just, for the faster, I just select this color for most easier so that I can do everything in a fast. So guys, I need a first of all, I need which one? I needed the scans of material. So how can I do? You see, I need a first. You see here many tools. 2, 4, 6 says tools. So which one I need? I need just rectangle tool. So how should I do? You can easily you can do this one. So I needed to center. I needed to center fit it. So like that or like that. Okay. I think it will be more better. So I need a pen here. Just a copy. Oh my god, how is it happening? Is there? I don't know. So I needed to copy this one here. Okay, already done. Everything maybe is so many you can see because I need now some color. Okay, I need color. This one. Okay, I didn't select. I'm sorry for that. Dear guys, I need this color. Okay, so you see, I already copy many things. So I need unnecessary things. So I delete all the things. So what's this? I need it. How should I disable? I need it now. Just direct selection like that. You just click there, then you can this one. So I need to select this all and just put it here. You see, like that. Already happened. Is okay. Now, right now, what should I do? I need to now just like this. I need to now this one. So you can see why I this copy this one. You need now this. So what should I do? I need to now just I need direct selection here and just select this one, and I need around here. I need this much, maybe like that. Yes, okay, this is done. I need now copy this one. How should I? Alter, press Alter, and here. Just for more better, I need now color. I need now color. Which color? Okay, that's fine. I just this then color. Okay, so already done. So what should I do? I need to select this one, and I just like that. Is this smaller? Yeah, okay. So what should I do? I need to again select all the things, then go to the shape builder tool. I gonna here and I just deleted these things. How should I do? I press order and like that I preside. Oh my god, how magic is done. So right now I need it now put it here to which side is this one. I need to just select this one. So I'm not a here see. I should change the color. Which color? White color. You guys you see I'm selected with color and you see happen. So oh my god, how happen is this one? I don't know. So sorry. Is it gone? How how's it? So how kind of this one? I don't know how is it happen. I need this one. Yo, no. Why? Why is not a happen? I don't know. So it's like that. It's gonna work on. I don't know. Oh, sorry. So I need to bring two bring to front. Yes, you see, guys, how is happening. Just I needed the upper side like that. Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit here. Okay, so right here, I need a little bit smaller like that. Okay, so what should I do? I need to now a little bit smaller, a little bit. Yes, that's fine, I think. So, but I need no opacity. Otherwise, it can you can this transparency. Just click here and 60%. It will be more better. So yes, I done almost done, friend. So what should I do? I need to now just copy this one. How copy and friend? I need to now Control C, Control F. You see, already done. And now this one, it a bit better, I think. Again, I need here. Sorry, friends, I'm messing something here. Just 60% again. Yes, already done this one. So what should I do? I need to now select this one and just error here and oh shit. What should I do? I need it now this here. I need to select this one. Select and copy here. Root. So you can see how it's happening. I'm reflect all the things and yes guys, you can see it's magic. This is the magic. So dear friends, it is almost done. Now just I needed to something here. You see, I will select this one, then I like that. I think this good. And another is things Control R is coming this scale or guideline. It will be more better. So exactly, you should do this like that. Yes, exactly. Done. So right here, I need again select this then just go to the rotate and exactly click here, and I need it to like that. Okay, a little bit. Oh my god, how is done? Little bit here, a little bit. Yes, okay. So very good, fantastic, fantastic. Just I need enough color. You change the color. How should I change the color? I need to click here. Just go to the here and color. Okay, color, it doesn't matter. Anytime you can change the one. So okay, so what should I do? I need to know this plus sign. This medical price data sign. So I need to now just go to the here and ellipse tool, and I need to now just circle just like that, smaller. This one, okay, I think this fine. Like that, I put here the middle side. It's more better, I think. Yes, okay. So already done. Now which one? This plus sign. So I need to go to the again. There. Yes, like that. Okay. Okay. So what should I do? I need now Control C and F. So now just rotate here. Exactly, I can do this one like that. Okay, so very good. And now I need to change the color. How should I color change? Just find a color. I need to know what color. Yes. What should I do? I need to know here for the. Okay, so I need here like that. Put the middle side. Yes, I think this fine. Okay, so it's very nice. So what should I do? I need to now type. Which kinds of typing tool? I need it bigger like that. I need it a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Yes. So right here, I need it now here. Just medical like that. Medical logo. Okay, exactly is done. So what should I do? Which one I need? I need just this one or that one or this one. I think which one is very good? I think this one. No, that one. Yes, I think this is very nice. So okay, so I need to clear here. So what should I do? I need it now again here. Just this color. Which color I need? Which color I need to just go to the here and go this one. And again I need a two here. Change the color. Yes, you see right here is done, almost done. You see, friends, there is no a single difference between this one. You see, it's very fantastic job. So it's magical performance. So right here you see, very nice, very clear, very modern, and very effective. So dear friends, for everything, I thanks you for watching. Thank you.